Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, August 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hi, David. I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a pile of work waiting for me.
Oh, same here. Sales calls all day. I'm already tired thinking about it.
Hang in there. Coffee will save us?
For sure. Hey, did you catch the news about the US and China trade stuff?
Yeah, I saw they're pausing some tariff hikes. What did you hear?
Just that they're trying to cool things down. Could mean cheaper products for my clients?
That's a good point. Lower costs could help a lot of businesses.
Exactly. I might push more deals if prices drop a bit.
It could help my projects too. We deal with international suppliers sometimes.
Nice. Less money stress for everyone, right?
I hope so. But I wonder if this pause will really last long.
Yeah, who knows? These things change fast.
True. Still, it's nice to have some good news for now.
Totally. If it helps my sales numbers, I'm happy.
Let's keep an eye on it. Could be a game changer.
Fingers crossed. Hey, speaking of changes, did you hear about that new app trending everywhere?
Which one? I'm always looking for something to make work easier.
It's called Task Flow, I think. Helps you manage tasks and stuff.
Oh, I read about that? It's getting big in offices.
Yeah, I saw a guy using it yesterday. Looked pretty cool.
I might try it for my team. We need better ways to track deadlines.
Same here. I'm always forgetting what's due when.
Haha, I know that feeling. My desk is full of reminders.
Mine too. Sticky notes everywhere, it's a mess.
Well, maybe this app can clean things up for us.
I hope so. If it works, I'll buy you a coffee as thanks.
Deal. I'll hold you to that.
Haha, no problem. Anything to make work less crazy.
For sure. Technology can be a real lifesaver.
Totally. Oh, and did you see the news about that movie breaking all the records?
You mean Star Journey? Yeah, it's all over the place.
Yeah, that one. They say it's the biggest box office hit in years.
I heard that too. Everyone seems to love it.
I'm thinking of watching it this weekend. Need something fun after work?
Same here. I miss going to the movies with friends.
Oh, me too. Work just eats up all my time.
It's true. A movie night sounds like the perfect break.
For sure. Hey, why don't we go together after work one day?
That sounds nice. Let's pick a time soon.
Cool, it's a plan. Movies are way better than boring reports.
No argument there. It's a good way to relax.
Yeah, just what I need. Work stress is no joke.
I agree. A little fun keeps us going.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of work, how's your project stuff going?
It's busy, but okay. Got a big meeting later to plan next steps?
Oh, meeting's my favorite. I've got 3 client calls today.
Ouch, that's a lot. Good luck with those.
Thanks. I just hope they don't take too long.
I know that feeling. Long calls are the worst.
Yeah? I just want to get them done and move on.
Same. I've got emails piling up while I'm in meetings.
Emails. I've got like 50 to answer.
That's rough. I try to clear mine every morning.
Good idea. I should do that too, but I'm lazy.
It's hard to stay on top of everything.
For sure. Hey, let's chat more about that trade news later.
Yeah, I'd like that. I want to know if it affects our suppliers.
Same. If it means better prices, I'm all for it.
Let's hope. It could make budgeting easier for projects.
True. I'll ask my clients if they've heard anything.
Good plan. I'll check with my team too.
Cool. Oh, and remind me about that Task Flow app.
Will do. I'll send you the name after this.
Thanks. I really need help organizing my day.
No problem. It might save us both some headaches.
I'll take any help I can get.
Me too. Work just keeps piling up.
Tell me about it. I'm swamped with orders this week.
Same here. My team's got deadlines coming fast.
Oh, deadlines? They're always sneaking up on me.
I know. Planning helps, but it's still tough.
Yeah. Hey, let's not forget about that movie plan.
Right. I'll look up showtimes later today.
Perfect. I'm excited to just sit and relax.
Me too. It's been too long since I've done that.
Same. Work just takes over everything sometimes.
It does. A break will be so nice.
For sure. Hey, I better get back to my desk soon.
Yeah, me too. My team's waiting for an update.
All right, catch you later then. Have a good day.
You too, David. See you tomorrow?
Yep, same spot, same coffee machine.
Haha, always. Take care.
You too. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. See you soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.